old bridge on the outskirts of town, thinking about the long way home, and the rain comes pouring down. Oh, pouring rain, why can't you understand? Having a pain without your helping hand. Rode into town with my baby in her gray Cadillac. She found herself somebody else. I found myself walking back. Oh, pouring rain, why can't you understand? Having a pain without your helping hand. You got it? Big gust of winds knock up on me and blew my hat in the creek. Hole in my boots getting bigger, like the rocks under my feet. Oh, pouring rain, why can't you understand? Having a pain without your helping hand. I tried to wave down the trucker, but he just waved as he flew by. I hear the roar of the thunder, I see the flash in the sky. Oh, pouring rain, why can't you understand? Having a pain without your helping hand. Oh, pouring rain, why can't you understand? Having a pain without your helping hand. No, yeah.
Bend your mic up just a little bit so you're not leaning into it. Okay, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner. We took last week off because it was Easter, and we ate a thing in my family called la pizza. And my mom used to make that, and then I have 11 sisters, and she taught all my sisters how to make it. And my one sister, Madeline, taught my wife Susie how to make it 50 years ago. And Sue makes it, I think, the closest to Mom is just about anybody. She makes it really good. So it's called, and I know that, I think your wife, buddy, Marina, I think it's kind of late to the party. She's just now starting to make it, I think.
Actually, my wife makes waffles.
Yeah. She used to work at the Waffle House, right? So, buddy, you worked at Pepe's last night.
I worked at Pepe's last night.
Tell everybody where that is.
Okay, Pepe's is just up Ocean View on Honolulu Avenue between Ocean View and Verdugo. And about 3 years when the bars all closed down, I couldn't play with these guys, so I wound up going up to Pepe's, in front of Pepe's. They have street musicians up there. And I started doing Friday and Saturday nights, basically from 5 to 7. And I really liked it. And after the restaurants opened up, I kept on doing it.
So do the people. They come to see you. You're getting to know some of them, right?
People come to see me, and it's good.
Yeah, and he actually makes more money than we do doing that thing up there. I got 5 guys. I got lights. I got everything big. We got nothing. He goes up there with the guitar and an amp. He makes $100.
It's not about the money.
I know.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a
Well,
minute.
at least not around
Wait
here.
a
It
minute.
is.
It is about the money.
No.
I'm getting some feedback here.
More money
Well,
than we
it's
make
pretty
here.
loud, but it's up. You want to lower it? Okay, hold on. I'll let Paul handle it. Anyway,
Paul, take a little
So-
bass off.
so Buddy's our guest artist. He's also part of the Sardo Brother Band. And on April 29th down at Locker Center Park, we're going to be doing a gig with me, with Buddy, myself, and my brother Tony, who kind of fronts the band. And I think we're going to have Palmer on drums and Gary Swan on piano on that gig. And Cody's coming. You're doing that with us, right? So we're pretty much going to have the full setup. If Buddy didn't play bass, I'd have Paul on the gig, but Buddy plays the bass, so that's what we're doing. And that'll be April 29th on a Saturday from, oh no, that's a Sunday, isn't it, honey? Help me out. Is that a Sunday,
Yes.
Susie? You don't know? I think it is.
It's a Sunday, Carmine.
It is a Sunday.
For
Okay,
those of
so
us that have
that'll
a
be
calendar.
Sunday at Locker Center Park. Oh
What?
man, now I'm really confused.
Oh, in that
It
case,
is.
Just go to the park,
And
give
wait.
us a call.
You know what?
show
Take
up
a
when you're
tent.
there.
Listen, take a tent with you. Go there Friday night, camp out, and you'll want to do it. It'll be there. Paul, do it. I mean, Buddy, do another one.
Let's do Truck Driving Man, the key of G.
G.
Yep. You know where it goes.
About
Kick
there.
it right off, yeah.
Okay, just ride the G.
Yep.
Okay. About there.
G.
Yep.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Stopped off at a roadhouse in Texas, little place called Hamburger Dance. Well, I heard that you ought to play a song they call the Truck Driving Man. Oh, me another cup of coffee, for it's the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play the truck driving man. Get it, Gary. Get it, Howard.
coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. I forgot to mention that. And next month, I think around May 20th, is going to be our 3rd year. And when we started doing this thing, it was Paul, it was me, it was Buddy. He did the first so many months with us. And then it was Gary Swan. And we had Jere McWhorter on drums. In fact, Jerry's not with us anymore. But
On drum.
he left about a year and a half ago, and he said, I want to leave the door open. And I said, well, you're always welcome. And so he left his drum set. And so...
I started playing drums right after that.
That's right. So all John's got to do is just come down, sit down, and play because the drums are already here. So that worked out great.
Thank you, Jerry.
Buddy, do another one, then we'll toss it to Paul
right.
and maybe Gary. Then we'll
If you
get
guys
back.
want to flip those sheets. I was thinking one day about Buck Owens and George Jones and Merle Haggett and Johnny Cash. And everybody talks about how they're all gone now. So I wrote this little song. It's going to be on my next album. And it's in the key of D. Sort of vamp, D. D, dog. Just sort of vamping the one right here like that. 'Cause Buck Owens ain't really dead. Don't believe what they tell you. He's drinking beer with Johnny Cash somewhere in Montana. They sit and watch that setting sun, remembering the way. Saw their whole world fall apart when country music strayed. Now there's Judge Jones and Merle Haggett talking about old songs. The words carried you away like a leaf in a storm. But now the words don't say a thing. Guitars don't sound the same. Fences have all been toned down. Country music strayed. Buck Owens ain't really dead. Don't believe what they tell you. He's drinking beer with a Johnny Cash somewhere in Montana, waiting for someone to call and ask them all to play. They can't believe, they can't believe how country music strayed. You got it, Gary. The Man in Black with Merle Haggard, Buck Owens and George Jones. Before they played a single note, my dream drifted away. I woke up knowing how they felt with country music straight. Buck Owens ain't really dead. Don't believe what they tell you. He's drinking beer with Johnny Cash somewhere in Montana, waiting for someone to call and ask them all to play. They all agree they can't believe how country music's straight. We all agree we can't believe how country music's straight. Now that's country.
Now you wrote that song.
I wrote that song to be on my next album. My first album was Losing Sand, which is available on Amazon Music Store. And if you come up to Montrose, I'll give you one. How's that?
You give them away at the gig, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, we cut that, what, a few years ago now.
I think that's been 6-7 years.
Has it been that long?
Yeah.
Wow. We're going to do another one when you get back from Italy.
That's right, exactly.
When you leaving for Italy?
I'll leave June. I'll be back in September, and
And then we'll go to work.
we'll cut an album when I get
We'll
back.
call the boys. Okay. Well, that'll be fun. Okay, so, Paul,
Carmen,
I always ask you how the family is. And,
the
you know,
family is great. Thanks for giving us Easter off. That was good. It worked out really well. We had a lot of fun with the kids and
Worked out
rolling
pretty good.
Easter eggs and all that stuff.
Me too, yeah.
It was real good.
I got to eat my pizza that Susie made.
You know, I was thinking then I think I know where I'm going to be next Easter. I'm going to be
Yeah,
at your
my house.
at your house eating that thing. What is it?
Well, you can all come. Hell, I don't care. Okay, so what do we got?
What do you want?
Well, you want to do a song?
Let's try and do this in G. Key of G. Love is where you find it, when you find no love at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. The bottle is almost empty, the clock just now struck 10. Darling, I had to call you to our favorite place again. I know it's wrong for us to meet, but the fire's gone out at home, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire's gone. Love is where you find it, when you find no love at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Your lips so warm and tender, and your arms hold me just right. Sweet words of love you remember, that the one at home forgot. Each time we say we keep on keeping on. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Love is where you find it when you find no love at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Yeah, love is where you find it when you find no love at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Oh, yeah.
Paul, you sound great.
That's a song I really like. It's an old one that Gary heard recently and reminded me of it. And I thought, well,
You know, if anybody knows who did that originally, I want to say it was like the Whites, maybe. Does that sound at all familiar? Anyway, if anybody out there knows who did it originally, I know
before
Conway and Lynn and Loretta had a big hit on it, Loretta Lynn, and they did a great job on that song. But there was somebody before that, I think. And anyway, look it up and let me know.
Amos and
I'd like to know.
Andy.
After the fire is
It was,
gone.
it was Amos and Andy.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I
So,
think that was-
Gary, you want to do one that we're going to let
And
Buddy
then right
get up
after
here?
that, Andy went solo.
Yes,
He
he
did.
did. Yes, he
They were
did.
so mad over that nickel residual.
I've completely lost control of the show. Completely.
Yeah.
All right,
I
Gary,
would
what
love
do
to
we
do
got?
a song, Carmine. There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. There's a key to the new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on the best perfume. You're gonna do me wrong, do it right. And the next time when the phone rings, oh, I won't answer it. I don't wanna be the fool I was tonight. I don't want to know the truth. I don't want to see the proof. we'll do it right. You're gonna do me wrong, we'll do it right.
You know, the first time I ever heard you do that song was at Viva Cantina about 10 years ago, and I got to tell you, it made me cry the first time, and I almost cried tonight. That's how good you do that song.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to stop.
Every other time you did it in between, I didn't cry, but you got me again tonight with it. Pretty good. Who's that other big? Hey, Tim! God, everybody's safe. Tim's in the house.
Tim's in the
It's okay. It's okay now. Y'all don't know Tim, but this guy is cool. Anyway.
He's big too.
And Marina's here, Buddy's daughter, and Vicky from Viva, and the little girls. Little Marina and Big Marina, yeah. And the boy, what's the boy's name? Lucas. I'm supposed to know that. Nellie's here, of course. My daughter Kim and Tom. And Marina, Buddy's wife, is taking pictures. And my wife Susie. So we got a little crowd tonight. So you guys have fun. And isn't Buddy doing a great job? We got to have him back here soon.
He taught me everything. Actually, you know, wait, now let me tell you something. Carmine and I, you know, we're brothers. He's my older brother. Now, we have two things in common. We're brothers, and we both play guitar, but we have different styles. Carmine plays like a pro, and I play like a real slocko. But it's a style, you know, so...
Yeah. Listen, you pull it off.
I'm doing it on purpose.
I've heard you play, and you do just fine, believe me. Anyway.
How long have you been brothers?
Oh, God, since I can remember. Hell, I don't know. Anyway, that's supposed to be a joke, but I'm going to be 79 next month. You just turned 70... You get it to
78 in September.
September. I'm a year and a couple of months older than you. That's right. Okay, that's
and
enough
Mom
about
never
that.
liked you.
I know she did.
Just so you know.
She liked you better. I know that for sure.
Natural.
Anyway, what are you going to do for us now? Cody, you want to say something? Just speak up. You're kind of like one of the brothers, too. You've been around for a long time.
Carmine and I are wondering, have you got anybody to cover that gig while you're in Italy at Pepe's yet? Because
but it would take two of us.
I keep thinking I'm going to get back and
big
find,
old gap in the
find
calendar.
the slot full.
Yeah, Cody and I will be there with a tip jar, trying to make some
The minute
money.
you're on that plane.
You're welcome to do it. I get 20%.
Can't Help It If I'm Still in Love With You by Hank Williams, and that's a great song. What key?
D, walk down to the 5.
Okay.
Yeah. D.
Your dog?
Yeah, just walk down to the 5. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Today I pass you on the street, and my heart fell to your feet. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Somebody else walked by your side, and he looked so satisfied. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Picture from the past came slowly stealing as I brush your arm, walk so close to you. Suddenly
These guys like to split solos, so again, what are you going to do? Anyway, if you do it my way, you get a lot more guitar playing, a lot more piano playing, but these guys are lazy, I guess. Anyway. You know, we had Tom and I did a little rap session here. We sat a couple of chairs for an hour. We got over 600 hits on that sucker, too. And we did nothing but just talk about music. We didn't really play music. We just talked, and I was explaining it to him. I said, you know, when I started the Wild Country Band, it was really about kind of the players, not the singers. I mean, I love the singers. You know, we need them. But we just need them so we can play our solos. You know what I'm saying? That's really all they're really here for. So, but these guys are such pros that when they go do a gig, you got a lead singer. Like, you don't want them playing that much. They do a little turnaround, and then the guy gets to sing. But here, we get to play, then he gets to sing. So that kind of the way it's a little like a reverse thing that I put together. But it works. It's fun. Buddy, what else you got? Yeah, I mean, I love your singing. That's cool.
No,
You know.
Cody, you want to do something?
You want to sing one? Yeah. Hey, Cody's going to do one. All right.
I love the way Cody sings. I love the way this guy sings.
Why not? Okay. I'm not sure I can remember it.
Oh, I almost think I might.
What is it?
Charlie's Shoes and G.
Oh, yeah.
If at any time you hear us make a mistake, run up here and correct us. Right in the middle of the song, just run up here and say, oh, no, G chord.
I'd like to be in Charlie's shoes, that's what I always say. 'Cause he had you and everything tied with the golden thread. And then Charlie left and ran away. When I got the news, it wasn't long that I was walking round in Charlie's shoes. And now I'm wearing out the shoes that Charlie wore. And walking back and forth across the floor. The troubles that drove him away, I got both company. And he's nice in Charlie's shoes, kidding me. You know the greener grass that turned my head so quickly it did turn brown. And every little dream I had, she's always staring down. I never knew that Charlie's shoes could have so many tacks. I disappointment, sorrow, and I wish he had 'em back. And now I'm wearing out the shoes that Charlie wore. Just walking back and forth across the floor. All the troubles that drove him away, I've got for company.
Okay, now who did that one? Boy, that's an old country song.
Yeah, I think Billy.
Was it Billy Walker?
Charlie or Billy Walker? One of the
Hey,
Walkers.
we never found out who did the Ashes song, did we?
Carmine, L. White.
Al White?
L.
L.
White.
L. White did it.
Wrote it.
Wrote it. Okay.
But you said the whites.
Yeah, so
That's-
it's probably one of them. Yeah.
It might have been them, because I think they did it originally, I think. Hey, buddy, do another one. And then I might do one. How much time we got?
4 hours.
Oh, no, we got like 17 minutes. Tell that, no, I'll do one after you. Do another one. Sure. This is, I want you to do a whole bunch.
Another original.
Well, while they're talking, I want to thank you for watching. The show's been going good. We've been having a lot of fun. And we're up here at Bob Smith Toyota. Boy, we've been doing this about 1.5 years in this place, and he has not bothered me a bit yet. He let me do this and just leaves us alone. So we appreciate it. You know, we've known the Smith family since the 50s. I remember his dad had a Volkswagen dealership in 1956. And I used to know his dad. I was just a teenager back then. And yeah, Bob Smith, great family, great people, and you know, they're helping us out, so that's kind of cool. So Paul, what do you think?
You know, I've been very close to not just you, but all the Sardo brothers for a long time.
Yeah.
Long time.
You know, we called you the seventh brother. Also, there's only a few people that will say, like, he's the seventh brother. Paul was one of the first original ones. We started that 50 years ago with this guy. But people like Johnny Blankenship, he kind of made it. Cody kind of got in there, you know.
But there's one thing I want to know,
What?
which I never knew, but I was just wondering, buddy, are you the tallest of all the Sardo brothers? Because Carmine and I are kind of vertically challenged, you know.
With my shoes on? No, I don't.
Maybe
look,
Tony,
look,
between you
Lewis.
and... Oh, Lewis might be a little taller.
Yeah, all right, good.
Yeah.
Lewis got it.
Yeah, he's got the most money, too, I think.
Well, he's standing on his money.
That's why I hate him. I hate Lewis.
I'm going to have to check that out for myself.
Let's have an episode where we bring all the Sardos and measure them.
Well, yeah, you know,
That'd
we
be a
should
good
do
episode.
that. Cody, that's a great idea, but it's only a 1 hour show. You know, so it would never work. Okay, buddy, what do we
Let's
got?
do just Temptation to KOD, just sort of
Okay.
It's sort of a half-beat thing, you know, it goes like that.
Tune that thing up, buddy.
Yeah.
Crank her up.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and.
It's just temptation tugging on my sleeve. Just the devil trying his best, get the best of me. When that straight and narrow path puts me in a squeeze. Just temptation tugging on my sleeve. 'Cause I'm a happily married family man, trying to make a living, picking with a country band. Every night, some sweet thing tries to get to me. Just temptation tugging on my sleeve. Well, it's just temptation tugging on my sleeve. Just the devil trying his best, get the best of me. When that straight and narrow path puts me in a squeeze. Just temptation tugging on my sleeve. Gotta Gary. coffee shop so far from home. Thinking how I hate to spend one more night alone. Waitress brings my coffee, rubs a leg against my knee. Just temptation tugging on my sleeve. You got a Carmine. Something, I wrote that song years ago, and what came to my mind one day, this was years after I was married, is when I was like 16, 17 years old, even dating my wife, we used to go to Bob's in Glendale. They used to be on Colorado Boulevard. And there was a waitress there who would come in and literally serve you your meal, and she, if you're a boy, 18 years old, 17 years old, she'd rub her leg against your knee. And that's where that hook line came from. And that's a true story. Whoever you are that used to work at Bob's Big Boy, you know who you are. And my knee still has, I still have a soft spot in my knee for you.
Nobody ever did that to me. I don't know what's going on.
I'm not going to even get near that. I have 1,000 response, but I'm not saying anything.
Should I do one?
Heck yeah.
Sure. And then we'll get ready to close the show.
There's children in the room.
All right, do it up, Jim. We'll do the Clayton Lady. We'll swing it the hell out of it. 1, 2, 3. I remember the year Clayton Lady died. They said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I wasn't there for the kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town, like Cody Bryant is. You thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. And I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, and he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Show me, Cody. Said he drank a lot and I could never understand. And I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. give $100 if he could only see me now. All right, Gary. Guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned picking up the lovesick blues. When Clayton died, I made him a promise I was gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Words. I'll just play again and take it out. Remember the words. Nobody ever knew it, but I went out in the woods and I cried. Thank you, Paul. You saved me again. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried like a baby. I remember the year that Clayton Delaney died. The band sounded so good behind me that I completely forgot what I was even doing. But anyway, we pulled it off. Okay, buddy, you're going to close the show. We got about 6-7 minutes. You could do 2 quick ones or 1 long one. That's up to you.
Let's do 1 long one. Everybody just go quick.
Okay.
Let's do Lodi, TG.
Okay. Folks, we're going to go out swinging. So, this is the last song. Thank Bob Smith. I want to thank you all for watching. Thank all you wonderful people for coming up and hanging out. We love having a little bit of an audience. It makes it a little more fun. And so we're going to... Buddy, you did a great job today. Did you have fun?
I had fun, and thank you for having me up.
Well, we'll do it again soon. We pulled it off again. And I want to thank Gary for coming up. Cody, of course. Paul, love you. John Palmer, my good friend. So, yeah, we're having a lot of fun doing this show, so thank you people for being part of the party. All right.
Lodi, kick it out.
Lodi. G?
Yeah, G.
Can I do it up a little?
Yeah.
That's the end of the story.
Not be great with a band like
All right. Cody.